Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. So happy to meet Dr. Alan Wedell. He is a chiropractor. He's opened a new practice, a private practice, in Hardeeville on Main Street, and it is called Capital Chiropractic Clinic. Welcome, and congratulations on your business.
Yes, thank you so much for having me today. It's a pleasure to be here.
So there are a lot of questions about chiropractic care. What exactly, from your perspective, what is it, and what kinds of what kind of conditions can you help folks with?
Yes, so chiropractic care is an all-natural method of healing. What we do is we look for stress on the nervous system. As you may know, our bodies are run on the nervous system, the brain and spinal cord.
Right.
So our goal is to find where that might be having some trouble and relieve the stress on the nervous system. Right. So what can this kind of care help with? Well, it can help with a lot of things, actually, because our whole body is controlled by the nervous system. So everybody knows us for back pain, but we're not really back doctors. We're actually nervous system doctors.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Never heard it, said that way.
Yeah, so a lot of things people come in for is lower back pain,
right,
sciatica, headaches, neck pain, etc. But we can see people improve with all sorts of conditions, including thyroid conditions. We can see digestive issues be resolved, stomach problems, organ issues. These things can all be helped through chiropractic care.
Wow, very interesting. And we were talking earlier, even children,
Yes, absolutely. Children should absolutely be getting adjusted. It is absolutely safe for children to be adjusted. We talk about in chiropractic we call it the 4 A's. Okay. We have asthma, allergies, ADHD, and autism. And if any of your children are suffering from these conditions,
right,
chiropractic has been shown to assist in these problems. If there's kids that are missing their developmental benchmarks, we can see them recover quickly and catch up quickly under chiropractic care.
Now, Dr. Wedell, you have some discounted initial exams. So if we want to come and visit you and we have questions and we want to get like a diagnosis, if you will, so will you offer a discount?
Yes. So currently we're running a current promotion for the month of May. Okay. We're doing $99 for the initial assessment. Of course, you can always come in for a free consultation. The consultation is no charge.
Okay.
But if you go forward with the initial exam, it's discounted to $99 this month. And on top of that, if you're a first responder, fireman, policeman, EMS, we're offering 25% off to those types of workers as well, also including veterans and military.
For the initial?
Yes.
Wow, so the 99 plus the 25%.
Correct.
What a gift.
Yes, we're happy to provide, and we want to serve.
Yes,
so our goal is to help those that are helping others as well.
Oh, outstanding. Okay, so you're going to also have, if you had a soft opening, you've been open a few months, but you're going to have an open house on May the 20th, which is a Saturday. You want to tell us about what to expect?
Yes, we're hosting an open house for anybody who's never been to a chiropractor, curious, just wants to help promote and support a local business. We'll be hosting the open house with light refreshments on Saturday, May 20th. From 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. We'll be going over general health topics. Okay. I'll be also giving some short presentations on the history of chiropractic.
Okay.
And we'll have some light refreshments and do some health screenings.
We have about a minute left, and there's just still, I think, a lot of misinformation about chiropractic care. And could you kind of maybe clear up again? I like when you said it's all about the nervous system.
Yeah, so our nervous system, it's how our body is controlled.
Right.
Our brain, it controls everything.
Yes.
And the way we access the brain is through the spine, because our messages come down the brain through the spinal cord and out through the nervous system to the muscles, tissues, organs, and cells. Every cell in the body has a nerve component to it. So it's the master system of the body.
Right.
So if we can get the master system of the body running well, we can start to see a lot of other things go well too.
And if those nerves are like pinched or not, that's how you feel the body and do those adjustments or whatever.
Yes.
Sort of.
So we look for what's called a subluxation. It comes with muscle tension, joint fixation, heat differential, swelling, etc. And when we can get those relieved, we can see the body start to operate and heal.
Very good. Well, congratulations on your business. And again, on May the 20th will be the open house. And it's Capital Chiropractic Clinic in Hardeeville. Thank you, Dr.
Yes,
Wedell.
thank you so much
Appreciate
for
you being
having
with
me.
us.